Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to be making couscous, and I have the Casbah type of couscous, and it comes in this packaging. This is roughly about, I think, 1.5 cups. So I'm just going to measure this now, so that we know how many cups exactly we have, to know the number of water that we're going to be putting. Usually you put the same amount of cups of couscous. That will be the same amount of water you're going to use. So I'm going to check that out now, and this actually comes, it's a lemon spinach flavor, so it comes with the leaves and all that's already in it. So let's check out how many cups we have here. Let's how many cups I have. So this is 1 cup. And let's check the other one. So this is like 1.5 cup of couscous. So because I have 1.5 cup of couscous, I'm going to use exactly 1.5 cup of water. That's what I'll be using. I'll measure my water here. 1. That's 1.5 cup of water. And then into my water, I'm going to be adding my cayenne pepper. I have this cayenne pepper that I'm going to use. I like my food spicy, so I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. Sorry, yeah, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. So that's 1 in the water. So that's my 2nd spoon. So I'm gonna be stirring this. I'm covering my pot and I'm gonna put it to boil. So I'm gonna bring this to boil, and we'll add the couscous. So I'm gonna, while the water is getting ready to boil, I'm gonna get my onions ready. I'm using a medium-sized onion and bell peppers. I'm gonna cut this. Just need to be careful so that you don't put your fingers. You can actually put whatever you want to put. If you want to put other greens, like probably want to spice it up, you want to put cabbage, celery, whatever you really want to put, you can actually put it. I'm going to put celery into this also. So I have celery at home, so I'm just going to add that to my veggie mixture. You can actually put in whatever veggies you feel like adding, just to spicing it up. So you can cut it anyhow you like. Just cutting mine this way. And I have my shrimps, so I'm gonna add this into the mixture of the shrimps. So when my water is ready, then I can stir fry the mixture in it. This is just to like give it an added flair, and of course to help with the color. Even though my couscous already has some veggies mixed with it, I still prefer to add mine. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt. It's just to give it a little bit of taste. There's nothing, it's like a pinch of salt that I'm adding. It's just to give it taste, really. And stir it with a spoon. I'm just going to wait for it. You can taste your mixture and see. Yeah, tastes nice. So I'm just going to wait for it to boil, and then I'll add in my couscous. Because my veggies is ready and I'm ready to stir fry after that. It has boiled, so I'm just going to add in my couscous in it, and I'm going to stir with a spoon. I'm going to use this spoon to stir it. So just continue to stir. Just stir it in properly to ensure every part of it is properly stirred. So that's enough stirring. I'm going to cover the pot with the lid back. See, the gas is off. So I'm just going to leave the water to be absorbed by the couscous. And you set aside for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, you're going to come back and check. I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. And then we'll come back and check the couscous then. 10 minutes is over. You can see that the timer has ended. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now would be to stir fry my veggies. And let's look at the couscous now. You can see how it is. All the water has been absorbed. So when you look at the couscous now, you see that all the water, all the moisture has been absorbed. You see? I need to use a fork instead. See? So fluffy right now, and it's not soggy. The gas first. I'm using canola oil, so I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil. You don't want too much oil, you just need to stir fry. So that's my 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm gonna be putting in all my veggies. The onion, the bell peppers, the celery, and the shrimps. I think I'm going to add more shrimps. I'm going to reduce the heat because I don't want it to burn. So I'm putting on medium heat right now. I love the smell of celery. So I'm going to add more shrimps. So I'm adding more shrimps to my mixture. and then you continue to stir. You don't want it to stick at the bottom of the frying pan, and it's always better to use a big pan so that you have space to, you know, stir and move around. See, my fire is on medium heat. You don't want it to be burning. You don't want your food to get burnt, right? So you just continue to stir and stir fry it. The celery actually brings out water, so you want to stir fry it so that the moisture reduces, because you don't want a lot of moisture in your couscous. You don't want it to become soggy, so just continue to stir. See that there's still a little bit of moisture there. I want this would have to like get dry before I add my couscous. So you just continue to stir till the moisture gets dried, and then after we're going to add our couscous. The smell is so lovely. So you can see that the water is almost dry. So I'm just going to add in my couscous now. That's the couscous, and then I'm just going to add it in. So you just lightly fluff. You don't want it to become too mushy. Still want it to retain that pearl-like shape. See? So once you lightly fluff, to ensure that all your veggies have been properly mixed. See? You can see that it still retains its pear-like shape. Still very much retains its pear-like shape. It's not mushy, it's not soggy. And then you also taste for flavor. If the taste is not good, then you can add a little bit of salt. This is lovely. The taste is perfect. So that's the end. Our couscous is ready to be served. So I'm going to put off the gas now. The gas is off, and I'm going to serve this.